Today is the last Tuesday of 2014, so yeah, the best year of my life is coming to an end. So here are 5 reasons why I think 2014 is the best year of my life. First reason is that I became a teenager this year, which changed my life completely. Second reason is that I learned some great life lessons this year that are probably going to help me a lot in my life. The third reason is that I had really good school results, which are very important to me, judging by the fact that I'm a nerd. Fourth reason is that I made new friends that are really important to me because being alone sucks. The fifth reason is that I started YouTubing, which is one of the best decisions that I could have ever taken. And I'm thankful for everybody that helped me and encouraged me to do this. That's why I think 2014 was my best year so far. Why do you think 2014 is the way you think it is? Let me know in the comments below. I was Sabina and see you soon. Don't forget to like the video, to share and subscribe if you want to see more of me. See you soon and bye!